Okay, welcome back to the second exercise with IPv6. This is quite a nice little simple one. Thankfully, if you're stumbling across this randomly and you're asking what's going on here, we're actually doing some of the official Cisco Labs here. Now, if you are not a student or if you're not accessing this, if you don't have access to the CCNA official course, you can actually still follow along and you can construct your own links. If anyone's interested, I can set one up where we can create a lab from scratch if you like. But basically, this is nice and simple. We're going to configure these two routers, and yeah, just connect them to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different networks. Very easy. So let's do that. So we'll go to router 1. We won't do any security or anything like that, or naming or banners or anything like that. Now remember, we have to let's have a look at the instructions. Maybe it will tell us here. It actually doesn't tell us. There's something we need to do. I'll look through these, because remember, I just got these. I've never done these labs before, and I've just started from scratch. So let's. I'm just going to pause and have a really good look at it and see how to configure this. Okay, so I've had a look into this, and what it's pretty much asking us to do is set up our own kind of networking scheme. So so I've read this properly now. Let's get a notepad out and let's do this. So try to do this here. So the first one's given to us already. So we want different networks, right? So we know we've got 8 there. So I guess what we can do is so the C9. We can kind of play around with these IPv6 addresses. Let's do this. We'll do. I'm going to copy most of that. So copy. We'll do that one. But the last one here is we will actually put this as a 9. Okay. Actually, let me just undo that. So we'll do a 9. Yep. Then we will do a. What's after what on the hexadecimal? What's after 9? It's a 10. But remember, 10's not on the hexadecimal. It's A. And we'll do a B. B, and we'll do a C. How many networks were there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I believe that these two serial interfaces, they're on the same network. So what we'll do is we'll create another one. So this is for serial on router 2. And on this side, we will do the same subnet, same network, but we're going to give it a different node address. So, did you notice what I've done? I've got a little notepad just to write some notes. You can get pen and paper. I prefer pen and paper, to be honest. And this one will be, you know what, this will be R2. This one will be R1. So now, with this one over here, I'll assign that as interface on router 1. I will do, so this is why you should always write things down, especially if you're stuck in an exam and you've got with exams there's so much pressure on you, the CCNA exams or the tests. There's a lot of things going on. So okay, so we've got this one here. So this is router 1. Okay, so router 1's taken care of. Router 2 now. You can just copy and paste. Let me see if that works. That should be okay. That should be fine. Yes. Let me just double check that. A, B, C. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay. Now what we're going to do is with so we've got the schemes there, and with the PCs, we're just going to auto config and let it take care of them. Take care of themselves. We won't statically assign IP addresses. I think that's what they need us to do. Assign link local addresses designated. Okay, we need to do some link local addresses too, but that's easy. That's the gateways for all of them. Link local address. So that's a link local address for all those interfaces. All right, let's go ahead and do that. We'll jump straight in. All right, so now that we've done that, let's just jump into the actual router 1 configuration. So we're in router 1. And what we'll do is we'll configure terminal, we'll go into the interface gig 0, 0. Yep. And then we'll copy that first. I'm just double checking to make sure that we're doing this right. Something's not quite right there. What are we missing? C8. That should be good. Oh, you know what? The leading zeros. That's fine. Let's just leave it as it is. That's fine. All right, so we'll copy that. And what we'll do is we'll do IPv6 address. Right click. Incomplete command. Sorry, I'm missing the what do you call it? The /64. Good. And we'll also do the, let's type this one out. The link local address, IPv6 address FE80. I'm trying to remember this off by heart. Link local, that's right. Okay, good. Nice shot. Fantastic. We'll go to interface gig. It won't feel for you because you're in the wrong mode for it to but if we go to 01, it'll jump in there. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll just go up and then I'll do link local again. And then I'll type in 6 address. And we'll use this one over here. Now, just for your personal, or if I get rid of those leading zeros, it's still going to work. No shut. Fantastic. So I think router 1's almost done. Oh, we've got this. We need to do the serial. We need to do the serial between R1 and R2. Okay. Oh yeah, there it is. It's up here. Just copy that. Do we need to do a link local? Yes, we do. So let's go into the interface serial. Okay. Then we do the link local. Then we'll do IPv6 address. Paste 64, and then no shut. Now it's still down, and the reason why it's down is because on R2 we haven't configured R2 yet. So that should be good. Okay, so let's so now that we've done that, I don't need the instructions anymore. I know what to do now. Let's jump over here. We'll do router 2 now. And just for giggles. Okay. Config T. What we'll do is we'll go into the interface, the serial first. And we'll see this light up green. Let's do that first. Yeah, shall we? Yes, we will. IP version 6 address 64 no shut. All right, that's lit up. That's lit. I'm too old to be saying cool stuff like that. That's lit, man. So that's good. So we're happy with that. Now, why don't we? I'm just going to steal a command that I've put over here for link local. I'm just lazy. I'm efficient. No, I'm not lazy. I'm efficient. And we'll just do that there. Okay, great. Now let's go into interface G.0. Oops. I'm just gonna do the up arrow. You know what? Because I forget, I'm gonna go straight to interface 1 and just do the same. That's out of the way. I don't have to worry about that now. All right. So giga interface, not gigaface. That's like someone with a big face like me. Giga interface, which is 1 megabits per second over the link. Where are we? I've been talking a lot, so let's walk instead of talk. Let's do some walking instead of talking. So gigabit 00 up here, gigabit interface. I'm going to copy that. We'll do IP version 6 address. Right click paste 64 and no shut. Fantastic. How cool is this? Is easy, guys. Come on. It's seriously easy. We can do this in our sleep. I'm just going to copy and paste that. Yeah, that's good. 64, no shut. That's it. We're done. We're finished. Let's have a look if got an email from someone. All right, let's have a look at fast forward that. Yeah, that's good. What we were going to look at, that email that I just got kind of got me off track here. What was I going to do? All right, so let's jump and let's ping each other. Let's ping. What we'll do is we'll ping from here to that interface first. And that interface was this guy there, I believe. We'll go here and we'll ping. Not happy. Let's go back into here. Maybe we need to configure. So we need to put an automatic there. Hopefully that will be good. I'm pretty sure we did link local address. Yes, we did. Yeah. All right, let's try again. All right, so we can't ping yet. Let me just check those notes again. We should be able to. Maybe we've done. I think we've done an incorrect address here. Yes, we have. You know what I've done? I've done something terrible and silly and horrible. But we can fix it quite easily. With the serial, let's go back into interface serial. This is the command that we should be using. I did save this. We should be doing that one. Okay, and we'll go back over to router 1 and do the same. Okay, great. Okay, let's exit that. I'm just going to ping. All right. Let's ping this interface here. I'm just going to have a look. I'm having a look at the notes again. Automatically, so set all 4 hosts to automatically configure with IP version 6. All right, we'll go to these ones over here. That's automatic. Yep, we'll do that one too as automatic. And automatic. Alright, so alright, what we'll do, I'm going to copy this. Okay, this IP address, which is IP version 6 address for PC1. Let's go over to PC4. We'll do this instead. We'll do this instead just to see if we got connectivity. If this doesn't work, it means we have to do some troubleshooting. Interesting. Looks like we've made some errors here. Just going to clean this up a bit. Well, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to do some troubleshooting, and I'll tell you what I come up with. Won't be long. Okay, guys. So remember, in my last video, what did I say? What did I say that we always forget to do? Now it's almost 9 p.m. Australian time, and I'm a bit tired, and I won't have a coffee because I won't sleep if I have a coffee. But what did I tell you guys? And I said that I do this all the time. I forgot to do this command. IP version 6, unicast routing. Frustrating, right? Oh, don't forget it. But you know, I'm glad I did this because it just shows you that we can troubleshoot anything. No matter what happens, we can really troubleshoot. So if we go to PC4, I want to ping PC1. Now, you'll notice if we go to IP configuration, there's our IP version 6 address. So I want to ping that from PC4. So let me just copy and paste. We'll go to over here, and we'll jump that. Remember, we don't have a DHCP server, remember? How cool is IP version 6? Come on, guys. I love IP version 6. It's the best. So we'll ping. So we're on PC4. We're pinging PC1. And we're getting replies. We're getting nothing but replies. So, seriously, guys. IP version 6 is so much easier than IP version 4. It is so beautiful. We don't need DHCP servers. I mean, I don't know. Learn IP version 6. Learn it. Enjoy it. I know the numbers are bigger, but and it can be a little bit annoying. Like you have to, like in the Cisco routers, there's a few things we have to do a bit differently, right? We have to put local addresses. We have to write IP version 6 address, and put the slash notation instead of the subnetwork mask. But IP version 6 rocks, guys. So I really want you guys to enjoy that, and let me know if you have any questions. You can email me, SMS, call me. It's 9 o'clock and I'm tired at the moment. I should be going to sleep, but I won't be going to sleep. So you can even call me now if you like, anytime you like. So anyone who's just stumbled across this from the internet, please feel free to send some comments, and I'll be delighted to answer you as well. All right, everyone, have a great evening and afternoon. We'll catch up with everyone in very shortly. Thank you very much for viewing, and we'll have a great evening or afternoon or morning, whatever it is.